Hi Scrappy friends! Today I'm showing you the best way to make frames fit any photo in your digital scrapbooking layouts. This video tutorial works in Photoshop Elements too. Alright, look at this problem. My frame is narrower than my photo. If I resize with Shift, the background shows through. Without Shift, a total squish. Yikes! Here is the trick that changed everything for me. First, I resize the photo to the height I need. Grab the Marquee Tool from the toolbar. In the Tool Options, set the feather to 5 pixels. This creates smooth, continuous edges without any choppy cutoffs where the frame meets your photo. You can experiment with this number. Sometimes a smaller feather works just as well and still keeps the edges nice and soft. Don't forget to set the style to normal. If you're using Photoshop Elements, set the aspect to normal. Click and drag a rectangle over about half of the frame. Press Ctrl+X, Mac Command X to cut. Then Ctrl+V, Mac Command V to paste it back. Zoom in with Ctrl+ and hold spacebar to drag around your canvas. This gives you perfect control. Quick question. Have you ever struggled with frames not fitting your photos? Drop a comment and let me know. Now, switch to the Move tool or press letter V to get the Move tool. Drag your cut piece into place and use those arrow keys to nudge it perfectly. A tiny nudge makes all the difference. And then just press Ctrl+0, Mac Command 0 to reset and see the whole canvas again. Head to your Layers panel. Hold Shift, click both frames layers, and press Ctrl+E, Mac Command E to merge them. And there you have it. A perfectly fitted frame. No stretching, no distortion, just professional results. I've listed all these keyboard shortcuts in the description below. Grab them for a quick reference. That's my go-to method, and now it's yours too. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up so more scrapbookers can find it. Drop a comment telling me, what's your biggest digital scrapbooking challenge right now? I read every single one and love creating tutorials based on your requests. Keep creating beautiful memories, my friend, and happy scrapping!